Abantu baminto biamole. Biamole laende. Nkro kwa kwambo kasimba. Omorugi Osimba Arati. Biamono. I've come here to give condolences on behalf of the governor to the family of Dennis Nyabuto. Where's Dennis? You are there? I've known Dennis for a few months. He has been covering our functions and the governor's functions. He's a good person. I've come here because of Dennis. And I'm sorry, Dennis, for the news of your brother. Your brother.
He's my young brother. Yeah.
Okay.
Achekoruga igapole ase Dennis yoyo berega koriga siaso kobwata video ase mugava nako genda go rase ngecharo muntu yebwane ocha komwana erengo.
I've come here to give condolences.
Nachirega korete biro biane.
I've not come here to talk about the politics.
Retaracha gwaka siasa gaiga gacha kurupole.
The politics we leave it to Mheshimiwa Okombo.
Siasa agatigero Mheshimiwa Okombo.
Mheshimiwa Silvana Sosoro.
Mheshimiwa Mbungo wa Silvana Sosoro.
And Governor Simba Arati.
Governor Simba Arati.
Me, I have come here as a mother.
Eregacha gaiga una mama.
I have brought food here.
Na retirenda giraga.
For visitors who are coming for the funeral. And with humanity, it's not right to do politics in a funeral. Everybody come to console the family. The family is the one who feels pain. They will not want to hear, I like Simba or I don't like Simba. People like Simba or not, his work will judge himself. Mheshimiwa Moracha here is a politician. He has seen all of you here are cheering him. He has got excited. He has made a lot of promises here. I don't know those promises he has made on behalf of himself or is me. But now, Mheshimiwa Moracha, you know I don't deal with budget. I don't deal any ward issues. Mheshimiwa Okombo does. And you, as a majority leader, you should give him full support. Don't make it like a football you want to throw to me, and I don't have a leg to take it. I've come here on behalf of governor as his wife. But I know Mheshimiwa Okombo is always fighting for the people of Boikang'a. There's some instance happened sometimes back for Boikang'a. After that, Mheshimiwa Okombo has always been crying at my home. Telling governor, the people of Boikang'a loves you. Leave 1-2 people. Let us assist the people of Boikang'a. But I want to plead with you, the people of Boikang'a. You elected the MCA. You elected the member of parliament. You elected the governor. What you need is your rights.
egento wano mogane tikoro asebare ne yaki ino
is a lot of favor.
egitaringa no konya ko evereriwa
Somebody should not come and say, I don't like Okombo, this is why I don't want to do this road.
montaba siko chata benga tinga chitio komora kitari ko repare
These are people's choice.
anabantu bachode nabantu okwanja kwa abantu
And please the people,
naende gaki abantu baminto
you have the powers.
mubwate chinguru
Talk to your leaders.
kwanera barayi baino
Let them work for you
babakorere gasi engiya
because they are your voices.
asenge na bwedio giya ino
Any leader cannot speak the voice of the people
murayo ne bwese tiko kwanerio giya bana inchi
should not be a leader.
tabona tiko murayo
Because the leader should not only mind their own selfish interest.
asenge omurayo tabona tiko rigeria gatorikia ebweka
Where I come from,
asakurwere
my home country,
asenge se aya China asakuru
there is no politics.
siasa arite iyo
We have 1.4 billion people,
tobwata abantu 1.4 billion
but children are going to school.
lakini abana kona bali school
Our people are working.
abantu baito ngora bali gas ari China
Our parents are being treated by the government hospitals.
abayiboli ngitari gari abakorwari kubusa sekitari
But you will never hear politics fighting.
lakini toko abantu bakorwanira siasa
Let us forget about politics.
yatoyo mangana siasa
Let us help our people.
tokonya abantu baito
That's all I can plead with you.
lakini kiyo kanda basabe
Now, Mheshimiwa Moracha,
bona gana no mheshimiwa maracha
because you have started
singa chokwacha kama ngana haya
telling me about projects,